Hello amazing people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How you all doing? And I hope you're all good today. So today's tutorial is just an easy DIY on how to make this bow hairband. Okay, very easy, and this is just a few items that we need here. So my piece of fabric here, what I have in measurement is 13, you can see, and by 12, 13 by 12. You can actually make a square cutout. You can do 13 by 13, it's fine. Okay, so this was what I had, so I had to use it, and I had to cut out two pieces of this, two pieces. You can see one I ironed and interfacing, the other one I did not. So the one I didn't iron interfacing is the one I'm going to use as the lining. All right, yes. And so this other piece is what is going to serve as the band. Okay, yes. And the measurement I have here is 27 by 5 inches, 27 by 5 inches, and that's exactly what I have. And you can see the other item I have there is the 1-inch elastic that I'm going to be passing through. So all I need to do is just to fold my fabric like so. So all I need to do now is to go ahead and make a straight sew. You can see once I'm done with that, then I'll turn it all to the right side. Then for the other square cutout, you go ahead and place it right side to right side and make a sew all the way on the 4 sides. But on one side, you just leave about 2 inches opening where you're going to be turning it all out from. It's that simple. So I'll go finish this up. Then of course, after that, I'll go ahead and give this a press. So I'm done sewing this now. You can see I'm ironing out my strap and of course the piece for the bow. So the place where I have that opening where I turn, I just put a very tiny hemming gum there just to cover it up, and yeah, we're good to go. Now we're going to be passing our elastic through our long strap. Just measure the hair circumference this is going to be sitting on, okay, and cut out the elastic, just the hair circumference, and use your safety pin to pass this through. So I advise you cut out the exact. So once you're done passing it through, then you can now fit it on the head and see if there's room for adjustments, if you need to cut out some excesses before you continue sewing it up. I hope you understand. Yes, so I'm just passing my elastic through. So once I'm done, you can see, then I'll bring it all together at the other end. So I'll be going ahead now to sew this. You can see, so you have to sew it all up before you hide it in. Okay, so I'll go ahead and finish this up. So all you need to do, this is the point where you can use your pin to hold it first and fit it in on the head to see if there's room for adjustment. Okay, so once you're done sewing it, then you can now hide it inside the space there. So I'll finish this up. So you can see I've already tacked my elastic here. You can see, so all I need to do is just make it neat, a neat so hide it in over the other. Last, let one overlap the other. You can see what I'm doing. By the time you push it all in, then the one that is visible, you will now make an inner fold. You can see you make an inner fold about 0.25, and you make it you will be able to hide it neatly. So this way you will not have any rough edges showing up. I hope you understand. And you go ahead and tack it, and that's all. You can see our band is ready. All you need to do now is to make our bow. So my bow, I'm bringing it all together like so. I'll go ahead and mark the center line. You can see, fold it equally and mark the center line with my chalk. So this is what we have. I'll make it more visible by using my ruler to mark a straight line. So once you're done, you go ahead and start making your bow. So I have a long strap of thread I cut out, just double it or triple it just to make it very thick. Then you start pleating. You can see what I'm doing. So as you are pleating, that center line is going to be a guide to make sure that you maintain the center point. Okay, you can see what I'm doing. Just keep using your hand to bring it all together this way. You can see, so at the end of the day, once you're done, you now take your thread. Okay, the chalk is still visible, so you take your thread and make sure you sew it on that center point. Just sew it, tie it properly. Okay, tie it very well, just to make sure that it's well secured. Okay, yes, so this is it. So once you're done, this is what we have. It's looking all beautiful. So what I'm going to do next is to cut out a very small piece of fabric, about 4 by by 5 inches and make a tiny strap to cover up that part that I use thread to tie. Okay, I'll be doing that much later. After that, then you can just sew it to the band. Okay, so we'll be using needle and thread to sew it, and our band is ready. It's that simple, guys. So you can see how beautiful this is looking. So that is how, guys, you make what? A bow hairband. Okay, thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I hope you find this helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share with friends and sewing communities. I'll really appreciate this a lot. And don't forget that aside making female wears, I make and sell wholesales of fashion accessories. You can see some samples here of tote bags. These are Mazi tote bags, fully padded, fully lined. The plain one as well, fully padded, fully lined with zipper and inner pocket. There's hair bonnets of different styles and designs. The regular tote bag, printed, scrunchies, ruffles, slip robe, apron, just so many fashion accessories that you can contact Partner So Fashion and will deliver to you wherever you are. So for the printing, I make use of a DTF printing, and I have an online class that is already ongoing. You will see the flyer at the end of this video. Feel free to share this to a lot of people that will find this helpful. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.